YouTube. And y'all already know who it is, man. Wave King Porter. And as you can see by the title, today we are going over the hot oil treatment method, all right? A lot of people been asking me, how do I keep my hair so healthy and shiny all the time, all right? And the big reason why is to have that oil in your hair, all right? You can have your daily moistures, you can have the brush work, you can have all that. But if your hair is not healthy and moisturized and oil treatment up, it's not gonna work, all right? So what I recommend is watch this video from front to back so you know how to do it. It's real simple. I promise you it's real simple. So watch the whole video, all right? So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, welcome back, man. Hey, so the materials that you're gonna need for this video, you're gonna need you a rag or some sort of towel, alright? You're gonna need you a plastic bag. You're gonna need you a cup. You're gonna need you a brush. Depending on how long your hair is, you can use a soft, you can use a medium, or you can use your hard. I recommend when you're doing this hot oil treatment method that you use a medium, because you should not be doing this hot oil treatment method right after you get a haircut. You know what I'm saying? This should be at least 2 to 3 weeks into, you know what I'm saying, your wolfing stages, or 2 to 3 weeks after you get a haircut, all right? So medium, I prefer. I mean, if you at that hard stage, you can do the hard, but I only recommend using the soft brush if you're just trying to lay your hair down before you do the plastic bag, as you're gonna see in this video. All right, man, I like to use this right here, this Lustrous Pink Hot Oil Treatment. Hey, man, this right here is really great for the summer. It keeps that protecting on your head and keeps your hair shining. All right, man, the last thing you're gonna need is water, all right? You're gonna use the hot water to heat up your oil. So that's gonna be the first step we're gonna do right now. Let's get it. So first we're gonna turn on hot water. Let that heat up for about 10-15 seconds till it get at least room temperature, a little bit more. All right, nice and warm. I mean, you try to get as hot as possible, but we don't want to be in here all day. All right, so now we got a good bit of water in there, a little bit more than halfway. And then we just gonna set our hot oil treatment inside the cup, all right? Just like that. Boom. All right, so now that we got the hot oil treatment in the cup, the next step is go ahead. If you got a do-rag on, take your do-rag off. Let them things out, you feel me? Unleash the waves. That's how I say it. Unleash the waves, all right? Now that we got the do-rag off and we done unleashed the waves, you know what I'm saying, let's go ahead and take our medium Torino Pro right here and lift our hairs up on our head, all right? So now that we got our hair lifted up on our head, that does not mean our pores are open on our scalp and on our hairs, all right? So what we're gonna do now is take this rag and then heat it up under some hot water and then set it on top of our head. It's that simple, you know what I'm saying? Just throw the rag on your head, let it heat up your hair for a little bit. If the rag is too small, you might have to do like 10 seconds here, then shift it over a little bit, pat it down, do another 10 seconds there, 10 seconds in the back, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you're getting your whole head, all right? And once you have the rag on your hair for at least 45 seconds to a minute, your pores should be open by now, depending on your hair porosity and your hair texture and all that. So you can go ahead and remove it off your head. All right, man, once you remove the rag, Your hair pores do not stay open that long, so you want to go ahead and try to hurry up, put the oil treatment in your hair as fast as you can. Alright, now that I got my hot oil treatment in my hair, I'm going to take my soft brush, give me a nice good brush session in to make sure the hot oil treatment is spread throughout my hair evenly. Always brush from my crown area. For those who wondering when you watching a video, how do he get his swirl like that? Even when I brush with the back of my brush, I always brush with that tip to make sure I'm brushing from my crown, alright? Some people don't like to brush from their crown, they feel like they messing up their crown. Me personally, I feel like I gotta go all the way to my crown and then brush, alright? I feel like I get a better stroke from the brush, and I feel like I get a better pull on my hair. As you can see, I only like to use the tip of my brush. I only use the tip of your brush when you're going around the crown if you have these Torino pros. Alright, welcome back, people. Notice that I did not do a long brush session, alright? I did like a short little medium brush session, you know what I'm saying, with the soft brush. The only reason I'm doing that is because, like I said before, evenly just spreading the oil treatment throughout my hair. That's it. I'm not trying to brush all the hot oil treatment back out of my hair. I just want to evenly get it spread it out so all my hair gets absorbed, all right? Now, after that, you're going to take that same rag or a different rag, whatever, put some cold water on it this time, and then put it back on your head, all right? So that's what we about to do. Let's go. Alright, y'all, now that we got the towel sitting on our head, you know what I'm saying, like I said before, you're gonna wait about 45 seconds to a minute and just let it sit on your head. If the towel not big enough, go ahead, pull it to each side, pat it down for a couple seconds, you know what I'm saying, about 5 to 10. You don't really need to be that long just to get that cold water to close those pores up, alright? Once you do that, move it to the next spot. Rag on your hair for about a minute, you know what I'm saying, your pores should be closed up by now. You can go ahead and take the rag off, alright? You don't need it no more. Alright, now that the rag is off your head, your pores should be all the way closed. So we're gonna take the soft brush again, just go around a couple times to lay our hair back down to make sure we fully good. All right, now that you're using a soft brush for a little minute, you got your nice little short brush section in, I recommend using a plastic bag, or if you have the lay down G, use the lay down G to lay your hair down again, you know what I'm saying? So boom, let's get it. Let's get that little frizz, you know what I'm saying? Everybody hates the frizz on top of their waves, so let's knock it down. Going around your head, your angles still matter, right? So notice I'm going with the way my waves are going, all right? I'm not going against the grain. I'm not trying to do something crazy. I want to go with the way my waves are flowing, all right? All right, so it's been at least about 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I've been going strong with the plastic bag. You can really just go about 2 minutes. You really don't have to go too long. But I recommend at least 5 to 10, you know what I'm saying, just to lay your hair down. And then once you get done laying your hair down, that's pretty much it for the video, all right? So I'm gonna continue to get a couple more minutes in, but make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you're new, you know what I'm saying, say something nice to your boy, tell me my waves look good or whatever you got to say. Well, yeah, man, I hope y'all have a blessed day, and I'm out.